What's up, Taylor Gang? It's me. It's me. What's up, Taylor Gang? First off, how are you guys doing? If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, sis. What's poppin'? What's good? If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, sis. What's poppin'? So for today's video, I'm gonna just do like a quick unboxing of KC Republic two products from them, and they're actually still in the packaging that they came in. And if you guys have been subscribed to my channel, or if you go back a couple videos, I think I have about 2 videos with this company already. So thank you guys for working with me again on another video. I really appreciate it. And let's just go ahead and get right into it. Before we get into it, real quick, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, join the fam, join the gang. We out here, we lit, you know, we coming out and shit. And yeah, leave me a thumbs up if you like the video. Any videos you guys want to see in this upcoming month of May, let me know in the comments below. And be sure to follow me on all my social media networks. They will be on the last screen after this video as usual. And let's just get into it, okay? Period. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. All right, so this is what I'm really excited about. This is a, let me go to the front so I can read it. Supporting glass magnifier with LED lamp. Now, y'all know I love y'all because I have had these packages for a second and I did not open them, even though I need them. This is nice. This is something that I could use. I could use it today for my face. But either way it goes, here it is. On the back, it just has the directions. And on the front, it says, what the hell? Supporting glasses. Supporting glasses. Wait, what? Supporting glasses magnifier with LED lamp. So this whole time I thought this was a mirror. I'm dumb. Okay. Okay. Sight. I couldn't have used this. Well, I could have used the lamp. Alright, so this is how the product comes in the box, as you guys saw. Okay, so it comes with this part, which is the glasses. So it would go like this. Y'all know how glasses go. Like that. Y'all know what I'm saying. Okay, and then we got the, I think this is going to be, I'm just taking a guess here, that this is the what? That this is the light. Please adjust nose piece and your small and perfect fit. These are bendable and adjustable for size. Okay, so that was just a little thing that the company put in the package, which is nice. All right, so cute. Here we go. Let's see what we got. I didn't know that I was gonna have to build something. Okay, so these 3 lenses are interchangeable. These 3 right here. So look at my nails, I need to fill in. Oh, that's probably an even worse angle. Okay, the battery has enough quantity of electricity and it can be replaced. A button battery. B, loosen 4 screws, take out the old, okay. Turn on the light. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna just figure this out myself. I'm gonna just pop this on right here, like this. Just by the looks of the picture. Oh my God. What the hell? Is it on there? Wow. Oh, here we go. All right, I got it on. Step 1. Okay, Lord knows I just knew this was a damn mirror. I was so excited. This is still cool though. Oh, I'm supposed to, what? What am I? Oh, okay. So y'all seen how I just struggled putting that shit on, right? Like crazy. That's because I had it the wrong way. I was supposed to put it on like this. Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay. Wow. Okay. So this is actually very magnifying. I don't really like looking at it because I have on contacts right now and it's irritating my contacts, but this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Do I look crazy? Let me pick up a book. All right, let me get a thumbnail. Oh, y'all. Oh, okay. Well, the book is actually upside down, but this is just for a thumbnail, so. Okay. Okay. That's that. Next package. I don't even know I can't remember what this is, but we're in for a treat. Oh, okay. So this is something that I've already done a review on before, so I will link that video up in the cards. But these are just another couple of trays of their mink lashes. If you go to my video of me reviewing and unboxing their other lash collection, you guys already know that this company has really good quality lash extensions products. For me to have my lash extension certificate license and I don't know what this is called, that is a shame, honestly. But shout out to y'all for giving me more supplies so I can get back on my lash game and start doing lashes again. As always, very good quality. The lashes are soft. I think these are D-Curl. Yep, D-Curl 0.15. So that means they're like a natural, I think a D-Curl, if I'm not mistaken, I'm going to look it up and put it on the screen, but if I'm not mistaken, a D-Curl is more of a natural curl. Hold on, let me look at them. I think D-Curl might be more of a tighter curl. It's looking like the D-Curl is more tight, of a tighter curl, so more like a curly eyelash look. They're not going straight out. You guys can't, excuse me, can't really see that well, but this is what they look like. Let's see. This is the 8mm one. I have a 10mm tray, as well as a 12mm tray, as well as a 14mm tray. And they're all still 0.15 around. And then this is just the millimeters or whatever, is just the length of the lashes. So if you look right here, you can see how short the 8s are and how long the 14s are, if you can see. Let me just take it out the packages. This is the 14. These are really nice and long too. Cute. And they're soft. Very soft, as usual. They do also sell the tweezers, the eyelash glue, and other kinds of curls and in trays and stuff like that. So if you guys want to check out KC Republic, I get all of their products off of Amazon. So you can go to Amazon. I'm sure they have a website as well. But yeah, go to Amazon. I'll leave the links in the description box for you guys to both of these products. As it's like every time like I try to get, you know, almost to the end, I get a little tongue twisted. But anyway, like I was saying, I don't even remember what I was saying. As well as the link to the videos of me reviewing their other products, so you guys can see what else they offer as well. And as usual, like I said in the beginning, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Come back if you are subscribed, and leave me a nice comment in the comment section below. Follow me on all my social medias, that they will be on the last screen after this one. Thank you again to KC Republic for working with me on another video. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.